Assalamu alaikum, all well-known and unwell-known person. Welcome back to my another new video. This is my Pranto. Today I would like to talk about in this video what do I do in afternoon time. So let's get started. Every day, particularly every day, I would like to afternoon time speak in English. The reason why afternoon time I come my field, like at this moment I am stay my jute field. Some time ago I was weeding my jute field because I have to clean my jute field. The field has many weed. Without clean this field, the jute not grow properly. So every day I would like to practice in English afternoon time because afternoon time environment is very cool and right now coming is cold air. I am taking this air and I feel very enjoy. I don't feel boring. And other thing, afternoon time I am used to making video afternoon time because every day most of the time when my mind say me you should make video today, that's why before afternoon time if I have any time, that time I try to make video, but if I don't get time before afternoon time I come my land and I am walking my land as well as I practice in English. For example, some time ago I was working my land and I was listening Elon Musk's podcast. So it's very helpful for me. And after podcast finish, right now I'm making video. So this time, actually this afternoon time for me high time to video make time and speak in English time. Also I have made plan my study. This plan I select afternoon time speak in English time. So I have to go my home because after 20 minutes later the Maghrib Azan call me. That's why every day I am used to taking bath afternoon time and noon time, means a day 2 times because I make it habit. So this is hot season. Without 2 times take bath I don't feel well. So right now I have to go my home and I have to take shower. That's all about today's video topic.